Hello guys, today we're gonna walk around Alona and show you the sights on feet. So stay with us and we'll take you around the town. Alright guys, this is the parking lot, main parking for now with the Alona Beach Road under construction. So if you look, it's right across. The parking lot is across from the Bo's Coffee and the Cube.
There's a hollow mango there too.
And there's a hollow mango in there if you want some ice cream.
The best.
There's a little BPI if you need an ATM machine to withdraw. A little coffee side on up here. You got the great Jollibees that they're known for. Over there you got a new little strip center that has a couple stores with a couple of restaurants that is coming to it. There's a McDonald's on the other side of Jollibee. This is your main bend with Alona Beach Road on the right. It's always a little crowded in here. There's your McDonald's. Over here you got a little coffee shop. Figaro Coffee if you want a coffee shop. This is Alona Beach Road entrance. Right now it's under construction, as you can see. Over there, right across the street from Alona Beach Road, you got a Glebe Coffee, which I like their coffee. It's a good little place to relax. You can sit outside here and watch the people. Next to it, you got a Gervacci's. It's a nice little bistro. Then you got a Cajun right there that has a variety of food that you can eat at.
Gotta get run over. You don't think so? Take a chance.
I am.
Hey, Mom.
As you can see, traffic. There's the shop back in there. Another bank up here. PNB if you need to go to get some money withdrawal. Little souvenir shop across the street. Up here on the right, you got your entrances to the Hainan resorts.
우리가 이런 풍경이었구나. 신기한데?
Little laundry shop over there if you want your clothes done. They offer you a service. It looks like 70 pesos a kilo. Couple more little food shops over here on the side. Another little souvenir and gift shop right there. Little coffee shop right there. Right over there is a lechon corner right there. They got pretty good lechon. We tried it. Got a massage place up here on the left. There's a little Bollywood resto and bar.
Yes. I'll pay you tomorrow morning.
Right here is a kind of popular Italian place, Toto e Pepinos. A lot of people going there because it's on the main road. Got a new gift shop over here being built. Then you got quite a few cafes and that down this road right here. Then you got more shops, bars, and restaurants up there, but that's the main drag right here that we took you on. Hope you enjoyed our walkthrough, and we'll see you in the next video.